I have a translation challenge in Italian for you. How would you say, "Excuse me, when does the next train to Venice leave?" I'll give you some time to think. Perfetto! Scusi, quando parte il prossimo treno per Venezia? Let's have a look at a couple of interesting points here. First of all, you want to be formal, so don't forget to use scusi. Also notice the word order. Quando parte il prossimo treno? The verb goes first. And then to Venice in Italian per Venezia, because we're talking about the direction, so in the direction of Venice. Allora, scusi, quando parte il prossimo treno per Venezia? Excellent job, bravissimi, ciao!